In this box there is a knife that I have waited 3 years for. 3 years. I ordered this in November 2021 and it just arrived like 1 week ago. It's the Bark River Aurora. It's always been among my favorite knives. So I just had to have this knife, Mickey. And you don't know what it is.
No, I definitely do not.
It is
curious to see.
a Aurora 3. No.
Jesus,
it is the Aurora 3.
This was the climatic part of the video where you've waited so long on, and this is what you did to it.
This is the Bark River Aurora 3. Look at it.
Martin, you bought a big kitchen knife.
But, Mickey, there's a huge but. And I was really disappointed again.
Whoa.
I paid for this knife with my own money, $300 US, and they messed up the whole belly.
What?
There's like, look at the grind of this belly. There's like a whole flat piece. Like instead of it going curved.
Wait,
just
can
has
you put your hand behind it?
You cannot unsee it. I've waited 3 years for this knife, paid $300 US, plus like €100 import and shipping. And I get a knife with a flaw. And yeah. It's not like this knife is now not functional. And you know, but we have tried to tell this a lot of times and we've spoken to Bark River and yet again I order a knife and it comes with a big flaw.
Let me just tell you that if our DPK knife has a grind mistake like that, people get a new knife.
Yeah.
Well, and even more so, TRC doesn't even ship them to us because they will take it out already beforehand.
They really did a good job on the handle and I was, you know, hoping that they were back to them old selves again. And now again I get disappointed and yeah, if I ask them to fix it, I can ship it back and they'll fix it. But I've waited 3 years, ladies and gentlemen. Paid $300 US. But in this video, I want to see, can this knife still make me happy? Because, I mean, it's just looks, yeah? And I can sharpen it out myself, yeah. So I'm going to see if this knife can bring its smile back, look.
This video is sponsored by Boker.
So today we're specifically looking at the Worksharp Precision Adjust. Maybe you don't have a lot of money, maybe you're not that great at sharpening, or maybe you just don't want to spend a lot of time sharpening.
In comes the Worksharp Precision Adjust. Set it up, sharpen like this, and Bob's your uncle.
This is actually an easy sponsor because it is what it is. A simple, affordable sharpener that just brings back your factory V-edge and maybe even better. I actually use this for a lot of my folders myself.
But you have a very big arm.
Thank you. Look at that edge, it's really good. That is almost mirror.
Buy the Worksharp Precision Adjust with the link in the description and start sharpening. Everybody can do it, yeah.
Get it now. Link in description. The problem is not that I cannot fix this, yeah? The problem is that I am a customer. Maybe I cannot sharpen a knife. And then I wait 3 years and I get a knife that is flawed for $300. That's just not okay. It's not the point that it is not fixable. It's the point that this just shouldn't happen. Quality control should take this out.
Oh my God!
Whoa!
Oh my God!
Well, that's kitchen knife
50!
sharpness. That's kitchen knife sharpness though.
50,
Holy
Martin!
shit, that is
the sharpest knife that we've bought.
Yeah.
I think that is the #1 sharpest knife that we have bought, Martin.
And I gotta say, that is a 10 out of 10 for buying a knife, sharpness.
Oh my God, Martin, that is a 10 out of 10.
Yeah, that is from top to bottom. I gotta hand it to them, man. Yeah, they made a mistake with the sharpening, but God, they sharpened this sharp.
Look, is it the most comfortable shave? Absolutely not, but it does shave.
We are gonna make a shawarma, yeah, but not a traditional shawarma. This is maybe a shawarma that nobody has eaten before, because we're gonna make it with ribeye. Ribeye shawarma.
Martin has lost it. Martin, my man has lost it. My man has lost it. What the hell? Joke, je bent het kwijt. Je bent het kwijt. Nou, what are we gonna do next?
Fire! That is really sharp.
Whoa, that looks good.
Yeah, but
Martin,
look
amazingly.
I noticed why it's so sharp. I'm gonna compare it to the normal Aurora, which is one of the best feather stickers, and it is actually a lot easier to control. But it's also because it's a smaller knife, has a thicker convex. I'm gonna give this a 6.5.
6.5, but it looked way better.
But it is just very sharp. It's not really good. It's just hard to feather stick with it.
I'm gonna give this a 7. I mean, look at how flawless those feathers look.
Okay, but it's genuinely a lot harder, and it's easier to make those thick feathers than to get those nice little curls.
The edge has damage.
Oh yeah. Oh, a lot of them. Holy shit. Those are quite a lot. But
I think it might be a little too sharp. This really isn't good. Probably it's because the edge is too thin. So we did a couple of tests, which we would later repeat with our own sharpened edge. Or something messed with the heat treatment.
So it is a known problem to Bark River. More of these knives had it. And I lost these problems after sharpening it. But it shows that a knife being too sharp is not a good thing. Okay, I got a big roll.
No.
Just from the back holding.
No.
Look at this.
Oh
That
God.
is a really big roll. Do you see that on camera?
Now let's just make that fire and then fix this knife.
Yeah. We baton pretty hard. And because of the length, it is actually a pretty good batoner. The handle is really comfortable. It's like a 7.5, 8. The only thing that is not really great for batoning is that thin geometry, because it gets into it before it breaks it. That is a solid 9.
Oh,
That is extremely good.
yo, Martin, this is a very good fire steel scraper. Or what?
Yeah, this is really good. Like I said, 9.
An old school Bark River 9. So the original plan was that we would make shawarma, and then we thought, let's do DPK style, and instead of making with regular shawarma meat, make it with ribeye.
Exactly. Harvest some lettuce from my own yard. Oh man, this is just the weight of the knife, Mickey.
Oh,
Yeah, it's really sharp. It looks like a kitchen knife. It probably is more a kitchen knife than an outdoor knife.
yo, Martin, look how juicy that is.
Yeah. I love ribeye.
And somehow, when we make it above that bloody fire, it is so much better than when I make it at home.
It's crazy, isn't it? Just what fire does. Some lettuce. Oh, oop.
The meat inside, Martin.
Oh, look at that. Oh.
The sauce balls.
I'm gonna just use some Alabama white sauce, I think.
Yep.
Nice.
Martin, you're so charming while you're eating.
Oh.
Jesus. My God. This is your boyfriend?
Oh.
No. My God, I've never seen someone eat so disgustingly.
It was a little bit more than I anticipated.
Oh my God.
This is a manly bun. This is a manly bun.
Oh, you're so disgusting. Martin is absolutely... I don't know.
Why not?
I'd just rather have the ribeye.
Yeah, but look. Stop talking. Look. If you always eat ribeye, isn't it nice to make something different with ribeye?
No.
Like, it's like the same with eggs, you know? The best egg for me is like a baked egg with bacon. But sometimes I want to have a cooked egg just because it's different.
No, like you and me differ. Every day of the last week, I ate the same thing. I ate like every month, I eat 3 different things. No, I'm gonna give this a 5 out of 10.
I'm gonna give it a 7.5, 8 out of 10. Because listen, Mickey is always, when he just doesn't agree with something, even though it's tasty, if he would eat this like a friend would give this to him, he would say, oh, this is really nice. But now he just disagrees with this being on the bread and says, oh, it's like a 5, it's like a 5. Well, probably in his head it's like a 7.
I would give it a 6.
Ha ha! Ha ha! I told you it's not good!
Sharpness. That's back to perfect again.
Yeah.
Nice.
I would say that is perfect. That is exactly what you want.
Yeah, and it is like this, not because it's not sharpened well, because I've risen up the angle a little bit to make it more sturdy. So let's make a feather stick baton and chop and see what it does.
Yo, big brother.
Brother. Flawless.
Yo.
It is flawless, dude. That is a lot easier, dude.
Yeah?
Yeah. There's literally no reflection at all. Wait, one strop, both sides, just to clean it off.
Whoa!
That's 100%
That's
flawless.
such a big difference. Wait, maybe chop a few pieces and then cut a piece of paper? Yeah, Martin, I mean, what a difference with before.
Oh man.
Now this is the CPM 3V that I know.
Now it's the knife that I'm happy with. Now it's the knife that I'm happy with. Mickey, let's go to the conclusion.
Worth the wait? 3 years?
Now it is. Damn.
Oh, please join our giveaway!
Whoa, but it's a pretty darn big giveaway. We are giving away the Falconeven F1L Max thanks to DBK, a Falconeven A1 Pro thanks to DBK, Bark River Bravo 1 thanks to Blade HQ, the new Benchmade Bug Out Wood Burn Brass thanks to Benchmade, a K-Bar Becker BK2 thanks to Knives and Tools, an X with short handle and red elm thanks to Roselli, Hit Guards XPMP Big Boss number 203 out of 500 limited edition thanks to Tools for Gents, and 2 BPS Pucos thanks to BPS.
The winners are only announced through email and at the end of the video once a month. Are you happy with your new Bark River? I mean, we've criticized Bark River a lot over the last couple of years. We've received a lot of hate for that.
Yeah.
But we're just trying to be honest.
But the Bark River fans and Bark River should understand that this criticizing is not because we dislike the brand, no. I am happy with my Bark River knife, and I gotta say, I love Bark River, and that's why I also am disappointed in the fact that I just keep noticing these flaws, you know. And yeah, we always sharpen our knives when we receive them. You know, when we buy a knife for ourselves, we always sharpen it. We never leave the factory edge on. a lot of people cannot really sharpen on waterstones or cannot really, you know, keep the convex well. So to have a nice, like a nice good factory edge, it's kind of, you know, for $300.
I think Bark River should ship with a better grind. The mistake they made on this knife is not good. I do think if you want to buy a Bark River, you should be able to sharpen it yourself. And what I have done with every Bark River I've ever received or bought is the first thing I put my own edge on it, and only then was I happy, because they've always been a little bit flimsy with the sharpening of their knives.
And I think, you know, am I happy with this knife? Yes, I am very happy with this knife. I just was disappointed in how it came.
The only reason that we are kind of skeptical towards Bark River is we hold them to a high standard.
Yeah.
And that is how we criticize them. Is Bark River good? Yeah, I still love Bark River. They still remain in my favorite knives. And I have to say, they've gone through a couple of dark years, in my opinion, where the quality control was really bad. And now, I have to say, the flaws are minor and they really have stepped up their game again.
Let us know your thoughts about this. Are we like whining bitches or are we correct?
Ladies and gentlemen, please like, subscribe. We try to be as honest as possible, even though we're gonna get a ton of hate from the whole Bark River community, but we don't care because we're just honest. And,
we're just part of the Bark River community with how many Bark Rivers we have. So
hey, bye. Later. I don't think anybody has sold so many Bark Rivers as this channel has, but okay, bye.